Hi everybody, my name is Martin. You're in my house and let's do some science.
Sometimes it's too quiet. So let's make some noise. That's right. Today we're making a bullfrog collar. For this you'll need a paper clip, some string, a paper cup you forgot to throw away, and a pair of scissors. Yes? Let's go. So very carefully take those scissors and punch a hole at the bottom of that cup, like so. And now take the string and tie it to one end of the paper clip. Voila! Now take that paper clip and push it through that hole that you made. Oh, I'm struggling here. Okay, we can do it, we can do it, we can do it. Hey! Gotta make sure that that paper clip doesn't come off when you pull it. Wanna know how this works? Find out on scienceworld.ca. Try this at home and share it by using the hashtag #ShowUsYourScience. Woo! All the best, everybody.